Hello everyone. Listen, one of the things that we have to remember as a business owner, as an investor, is we have to remember how important our language is. Okay? A lot of people say incorrectly that they're paying their credit cards. And many are doing exactly that simply because they don't know that credit cards can be used as leverage. And so they say, oh, I got a credit card bill this month, or I have to pay this credit card, when really, as velocity banking specialists, what you're really doing is you're paying through your credit card. Absolutely. You're paying through your credit card. Now, this goes out, and this is dedicated to Robert, all right? And listen, he asked a very relevant question, okay? He said, CJ, listen, as I'm paying down these credit cards, as I'm paying down, am I just going to be utilizing them to pay my monthly expenses or my living expenses? Or am I supposed to be using the credit card to pay down both the monthly and the living expenses? Well, the answer to that question is you're supposed to be using them for both. Why? Why? Why do I use the credit card for both the monthly expenses and the living expenses? Well, the reason why you want to do that is you want to get out of the habit, right? Get out of the habit of slicing the pie. What does slice the pie mean? Well, many people, they utilize their checking account, right, that is losing money, to pay the mortgage, to pay the groceries. Here's another slice of the pie. We're paying our living expenses. We're paying this. We're paying that. We're putting it into savings. And now you don't have anything by the end of all that payment. It's $5,000 in, right, the income, and then $5,000 out, the outgo. Okay? We don't want to do that. What we want to do instead is we want to make sure that we are paying our lines of credit, our credit cards with all of our income, and then when that's done, we want to pay everything. We're talking about our monthly expenses. We're talking about our living expenses. We want to make sure that we are paying both of them from that one credit card or that one line of credit. Now, I didn't forget, Robert, you also asked me, hey, what about Plastiq? I've heard this about it. I've heard that about it. It seemed pretty good. CJ, what do you think? I think you're on the right track. Did you know that you could earn rewards points for utilizing them? Right? Even you could float 30 days, right, of payment. Listen, folks. When you dig into Plastiq, you can actually pay your bills, not only in America, but if you got a bill in Switzerland, if you got a bill in here, in that country, did you know you could pay it through Plastiq? Absolutely. Plastiq, you can pay that mortgage, right, with the credit card through Plastiq. Absolutely. Now, if you want to know more about that, I know you got all these things to do, especially when it's Christmas. Just say, CJ, let me know more about Plastiq, or say Plastiq in the subject line when you email me, creditwiz@investorpro.org, and I can all about it. I can tell you all about it, all right? But what you need to know is 2 words, okay? Because there's a lot of people that think you can't pay your mortgage with a credit card. You need to remember 2 words, okay? And those 2 words are MasterCard and Discover card. Let me say it again. MasterCard and Discover card. Why do I say that? Because with Plastiq, you can actually utilize only the MasterCard and the Discover card to pay that mortgage. Okay? Absolutely. And so remember our vocabulary, all right? It's very important. You're not paying your credit card as a velocity banking specialist. What you're doing is you're paying through your credit card, all right? So the money is coming through your credit card out into the world. And as you are diligently taking heed to the principles of velocity banking, you're going to get what is known as a credit limit increase or a drop in interest rate or both. Now you tell me that a credit card ain't an asset. It is. It is an asset and can be used as leverage when you know how. All right? Robert, folks, if you have any more questions, don't hesitate. Hit me up. All right? Absolutely. CJ, are you endorsing Plastiq? Do you like Plastiq? Folks, absolutely. Why? Because they know that the velocity banking method works. All right? And the transaction fee, that little 2.5%, is nothing compared to that astronomical bank loan that you got. All right? So you are too busy paying down those loans, getting financially free, economically independent, to swallow any more foolishness. All right? Listen, folks, I believe in you. I believe in your business. Now it's your turn. If you got any questions about the velocity banking method, real estate investing, or business credit, don't hesitate. All right? We want to absolutely put you as the next video. All right? God bless, and you have a good night.